Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather for the next 10 days. And you can see the heat that lingers across the area today. The good news is we will see some decent changes in the next week and a half. But right now, temperature's still pretty close to 100 with lots of sunshine over most of the Arctic. We are starting to see a few spotty showers and thunderstorms develop, mainly over the northern half of the area, and we'll talk more of that could be headed here in a second. Reason for the rain and the heat, we have the upper level high pressure producing the heat. A little boundary, you can see the line of showers and thunderstorms associated with it. This is going to ease its way southward into the area, giving us a chance for the rain this afternoon, this evening. Another chance tomorrow, and we'll see our best chance probably Friday afternoon, Friday night into Saturday. So let's talk about all this with Robin's Toyota Futurecast, and you can see that tonight the spotty thunderstorms that develop over the north should come to an end during the evening hours, as we'll see a partly cloudy sky tonight. Tomorrow, expect a mix of clouds and sunshine, another hot day in advance of any thunderstorms that do manage to develop. Temperatures again should be pretty close to 100, and again, if we see these thunderstorms develop, they could be a bit on the strong side, both for the rest of this afternoon as well as tomorrow. That activity will end tomorrow evening, and as we head into tomorrow night, you can see more rain trying to develop over the northern sections of the area Friday morning. Those thunderstorms will increase. Futurecast shows the main focus of the thunderstorm activity over the eastern half of the Arctic. That will move out, and then during the nighttime hours Friday night, it's quite possible we could see some more rain trying to develop that could linger into Saturday morning. As far as severe weather, the risk is possible, but it is looking low. You can see the level 1 marginal risk Friday when the rain will be at its most widespread. That means that severe weather should be isolated. Possible we could see some yellow on this map before it's all said and done. Rainfall potential, again, these are the numbers from Futurecast showing a good inch to 2 inches over the eastern quarter of the area. But keep in mind, this green area here could shift anywhere to the west or to the east. So it's still looking promising that somewhere in the Arctic we'll see a pretty good swath of 1 to 2 inches of rain. In the longer range, you can see the upper level ridge, and again, it's going to kind of sit here. This northwesterly flow above us is what's going to push that boundary southward through the Arctic. And then this ridge, by Friday, still located to our west, is going to move to the south and west. And as that happens, what's going to happen is we will see the atmosphere modify somewhat as we cool off, and a series of little disturbances could give us a chance off and on for some rain from Tuesday through Thursday of next week. And then we'll see that system pass and the ridge tries to reestablish itself. For the most part, we are going to see below normal temperatures through most of next week. Now, I showed you the rainfall potential for the next few days with Futurecast. Here's a look at the blend of all the different models that goes out 10 days, and you can see that it's looking quite promising still. These numbers a lot higher than what they were yesterday, but it does show that most of the area is in line to see at least an inch, which is pretty much normal, and it's possible that much of the area could see more than 2 inches of rain from now through next Saturday. In the tropics, we do have a tropical storm Lee that is expected to become very quickly a major hurricane and possibly could become a Category 5 storm before it's all said and done. You can see it will be north of Puerto Rico by Monday morning. As of right now, the global models do still indicate a bit of a turn towards the north. The big question is how close will it get to the east coast? It is still looking very unlikely that we'll see it make it as far west as the Gulf of Mexico, but Lee is something we'll have to watch. And you can see the second system out in the Atlantic will make that turn towards the north and will not pose a threat to the U.S. So your forecast here at home tonight is looking partly cloudy. Any rain that pops up this afternoon will end. We'll see temperatures mainly in the low to middle 70s, 77 in Shreveport, 72 in Texarkana. Another very hot day tomorrow. Much of the area near or above 100, 102 in Shreveport, 99 in Texarkana, with again that chance for the spotty afternoon thunderstorm. Looking ahead to Friday, we will see a better chance for more widespread showers and thunderstorms that could continue into Saturday. We'll catch a break Sunday and Monday, and then more rain for the middle part of next week. Notice the trend in temperatures. 102 tomorrow. We'll be in the mid-80s by the middle part of next week with the clouds and rain around, and then temperatures should close the 10-day period with highs back up close to 90 by next weekend, which by the standards that we've set over the last couple of months sounds pretty nice. Overnight lows in the next 10 days will eventually end up in the mid to upper 60s. So it looks like some decent change on the way here for the next 10 days, with first a little bit of rain tomorrow and especially Friday. Another pretty good chance of rain as we look ahead to the middle part of next week.